It may be that in the production of a report or a written assignment you are required to insert a graphic or an image, perhaps from the internet or from another location, and we can do that quite simply and easily using the clipboard feature that lives within all versions of Microsoft Windows. I've already got an internet page open or a web page open, so I'm just going to flick between Microsoft Word and my internet page, and I'm interested in this image here. Now, to borrow an image or a piece of text from the internet, you highlight it. We could block off a piece of text just like we did in Microsoft Word, and then we can right click and go for copy if it's text. But if it's a picture, we just simply put our mouse pointer in the middle of the picture we're interested in, right click, and we can go for copy image. We can then simply move back to our document and bring it back via the clipboard. Now, to do that, we need to be aware of where the flashing cursor is, because by default that's where our picture will appear. So if I right click now and go for paste, it will paste back the picture that we've taken from the internet. However, when you copy and paste from the internet, sometimes you can pick up the formatting that's been applied to the page that you've taken the image or text from. And instead of just simply right clicking and going for paste, another alternative is to go up to the edit heading at the top of your display and select Paste Special. And Paste Special allows you to make a selection as to how you want the page or the image to be presented on the document. I'm just going to select a picture and go for OK. Now, the nice thing about this is it strips out any formatting that we don't really need. And there's my picture. So instead of just going right click and paste, what I did was I went up to Edit and I went for Paste Special. Now, when you're working with text, the option you also have is unformatted text, and again that strips out any of the formatting that may have been applied to the page that may make your document look like it's disjointed or pulled together from multiple sources. Now, initially the picture sticks to the page and I can't really move it around. It's almost treated like just a big letter on the page itself. What we can do, however, is we can apply the formatting on the picture so that it changes with the flow of the text. And this is called the text wrap. And to do that, I simply right click on my picture, and under wrap text we can choose how the text interacts with the page. So I might go for square, and now I can physically grab hold of my image by holding it in the middle and sliding it to anywhere on the page, and what will happen is the text will then flow around it. So I can pull the image around to adjust the flow of the text. If your image is too big, you've got these little anchor points around the outside edge, and corners or sides allow you to adjust the scale of the image. Holding down the middle will allow you to move it. And the green dot is the rotate feature, and that allows me to adjust the angle of the image itself. So some really simple formatting that can be applied to a document. It really transforms how your text and image interact on the page. So all we did was we right clicked on the image itself, and under wrap text we could choose how we want it to interact with the rest of the document. We can also do this under format picture, and under format picture we're given a number of options, and one of them relates to the layout and the text wrapping itself.